If you are a 25-year-old guy and you have lost this much of hair, such that you are in stage 5 or 6, what is the mental trauma you are undergoing? Let us discuss today one of the case stories of Saraswat Hospital, in which we helped one such guy who was only 25 years and he had lost his hair so much so that the lost hair were reaching the crown. I've written stage 5 to 6 because there wasn't proper 5 and he wasn't proper 6 also. He was actually reaching grade 6. This is stage 5 where you still have some hair in between connecting both the parietal areas. But here in 6, you have lost all your hair from the forehead reaching crown. This is just one stage less than the final stage, which is stage 7. So how we did that? What all things we tried, like trichoscopy. Then we used the help of a Saraswat Hospital Peak AI app, in which he understood his results, what his looks would be even before undergoing surgery. Also then what planning we did and what were his final results. We have his pictures after 19 months of treatment, that is more than 1.5 years. So let us go through his hair transplant journey today. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such testimonial as well as educational videos. So when he came for consultation, the first thing we did for him for a very scientific approach was trichoscopy. In this, we understood how his donor grafts were. So in his case, the total area of the donor site, the density was 78 grafts per centimeter square. The average diameter of individual hair follicle was around 0.078 millimeters. When we calculated the recipient area, like the area where we would like to have the hairs, like it was the frontal area and the middle area. So here the total area was 128 centimeters square. We wanted to give him a decent density because you see the number of hairs which have fallen down is much more than the number of grafts we have to cover that bald area. The density we kept for him was 32 grafts per centimeter square. You can see all the trichoscopic findings on your screen. Coming on next, he wanted to see, doctor, how I would look after my hair transplant. So he used the Peak AI machine learning AI algorithm feature of Saraswat Hospital app. He submitted his pictures on this app. Pictures he received were this. Now was the time for his long-term planning. So we made him understand that hair loss is an ongoing procedure. If you want to stop hair loss of the rest of the hair which you have, you need to take medication. Because he had a very strong family history, he actually wanted to take medication also. So taking care of today's scenario, like how many grafts would be required, the calculated number of grafts was around 4,000 grafts. So these grafts we wanted to harvest by FUE method and transplant in this area. He agreed to the medical treatment also. So hair transplant and medical treatment along with the probable results, which made him quite confident that he would be okay. So this was his long-term planning. If you want to write anything regarding your hair transplant or whatever questions you have for your surgery, you can always ask in the comment section below. Coming to hair transplant final results. Starting from the day of surgery, you will now see on your screen his various pictures. See the difference between him before the surgery and after 19 months of surgery. This is what hair transplant does to you. It boosts confidence in you. It makes you feel happy and positive about everything because now you have that confidence that nobody is looking at my bald scalp. I have my hair, I have a hairstyle, and I'm ready to stride in the world. Do share this video with someone who is still experiencing disturbance and confusion due to his hair loss and baldness. A guy of 25 years undergoing this transformation is remarkable. If you want to see more such testimonial videos, please click the link on the left, and regarding the cost of hair transplant, you can click the link on the right.